What? We got another package? Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing, or actually unbagging video. Today we have something quick from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. They have a variety of items on their store site, Army Navy Outdoors. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And right there on the front, Army Navy Outdoors. Let's see. Is there a manifest? Oh, there's a manifest. Good, that helps. So they do provide a helpful picture with each item. So you can see right there, they take a little picture there. And I just ordered a few of these. These are from, actually, made by 5 Star Gear, the orange survival handkerchief. So these are also being sold through Army Navy Outdoors. So let's just go ahead and open one of these up. So these are handkerchiefs or bandanas, however you want to use them, but they are bright orange, as you can see. And you can put these in your glove compartment in your car, vehicle, boat, hiking bag, backpack, your pocket, in your clothing. So it's just, you can wear it on your head if you want to, so you can be spotted. Looks like they have a little manufacturer tag, 5 Star Gear. They also make a variety of items as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this off, since I'm going to go ahead and use this myself in one of my bags. Take that right off right now. So one side is plain orange. You can use that for signaling or for high visibility, I guess would be the appropriate term. And there's a whole bunch of information on here. We open it this way. You can see we have the cardinal compass points, north, south, east, and west. We also have directions on setting up a camp, handling snake bites, scorpion bites, or stings possibly. Let's see. Instructions on being around bears and when there's bear country. Some simple knot instructions, tying knots, so you can secure gear or possibly shelter. On this corner, some navigational tips, finding the North Star. Hopefully you have a clear sky. Cloudy sky will probably preclude that. But also some simple tracks: mountain lion, raccoon, bear, deer. And then in the interior, we also have some hiking safety tips, I guess you would say. And on this side, clothing and weather condition tips as well. So let's see what else we got going on here. We also have some rules of thumb tips. You can see there, planning ahead, be prepared, don't hike alone, use this bandana as a distress signal, walk on existing trails, leave what you find, keep campfires small, and respect wildlife. So, a quick look at something from 5 Star Gear, and this was obtained through Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check both out, but it's been another quick unboxing, unbagging video. Feel free to check out others on the channel. We also do show and tell on more specific vintage, milsurp, and tool type items, and also other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review media reviews, and we also do curios for the curious. Feel free to check those out. Those are videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those topics out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.